So my renovation of my new home is about 60% completed. Right now they have already painted the walls and do some feature wall as well as some lighting and fan. So yeah, they have also installed the vinyl flooring. So this is a first time I'm using vinyl flooring. So this is by Rich, and they are well known for their quality of their vinyl flooring. They do not use any glue, so I feel that it's really nice to step on. And I love the color. It's a bit grayish color because when we choose the flooring, it's only they only show us like a small plank of wood for you to choose, but I kind of can't tell it because it's just a small piece. But right now when it has been installed, it is really nice to step on it. It feels very cozy. That gives you a coziness and earthy feeling because it is wood, but in fact it is not wood, it's made of vinyl. So this is the bathtub. I've installed a bathtub here. They managed to find similar matching tiles for the bathtub here. So it matches the wall and the floor tiles because the existing owner did a overlay of wall and floor tiles. So we managed, my designer managed to find a similar one. Really quite similar. And here is my master bedroom. So they will install a wallpaper over here, so it's not done yet. And my ceiling fan. I will be doing a walk-in wardrobe here. So this designated place will be having a walk-in wardrobe using the pole system. And here we'll have a track light. And here, this black thing here, this will be my little ceiling fan, a very mini one. Can't wait to show you guys. Yep, so this is how it looks like. 60% completed. Next week I'm expecting some carpentry work to be installed. So we have quite a number of carpentry works, like a study table over here, as well as my TV console. I'll be having a bar counter over this side, like an island counter. So my dining table will go here. I'm so excited! To moving in, and it's about 80% completed. So this is my study table and a settee here. So I'm thinking to make this area my filming area, and that's the TV console. That's my bar counter. So it's not completed yet. So there's still, you have to do some the top. There's an unfinished top here. And they have done both my son's room. So they have made this wardrobe, which is nice. And they also have done a walk-in wardrobe for me. So this walk-in wardrobe is a black glass with aluminium frame, and inside will be a pole system. So this area here is my dressing table, so a mirror will go up here. So this whole system is highly customizable. I chose 6 drawers because I need a lot of I have a lot of folded clothes, so all these will go here. Yeah, this is the first time I use whole system and I believe it's good. I it feels quite sturdy. These are aluminium poles, like really very sturdy. I'm done shopping at IKEA, and the IKEA delivery charges $70 and it takes about 4 to 8 days to reach my home. And I discovered this Lala Move delivery. It's so much cheaper. It's only $32 and they can deliver on the same day. Yeah, 55 minutes delivery. So awesome. Look at the amount of things I need to clear today. Today is the move-in date, and I just want to share with you the mover that we engage is the VS mover. So they actually borrow us some boxes. I took like 20 boxes from them and just need to give deposit. It's free of charge. After you return them the boxes, they will actually pay you back the deposit of $100. So one thing to remember is the boxes have all these to take, so that when all the boxes come, right, there are so many things and it's gonna be very messy. So you will know that you need to label all your boxes. So like from this is like the things inside is from storeroom and my bathroom. So you can take all of this and it's easier for you to organize your stuff later on. Almost 8 p.m. and I'm still not done yet. Look at the things that I have. All the furniture have been moved to my house, and right now it's going to be at night. My kids are with my sister-in-law. Thanks to them, I can have a peace of mind to do my work. I just focus on room by room, so I make sure that I have a bedroom for us to sleep tonight first. So yeah, I'm so tired.